So, you're a fitness coach or health and wellness professional, and today's the day you're finally building your website's homepage. But wait, how do you actually build a homepage that turns visitors into clients? Don't worry, today I'm going to be breaking it all down step by step using this homepage I designed for a nutritionist that specializes in gut health as an example. In this video, I'm going to share why planning is the most important thing you can do before designing your homepage. We'll cover the 8 key points you need to outline before you jump into your website builder. Trust me, most DIYers tend to skip this step and their websites can often fall short because of it. And you're going to want to stay to the end because I've got a free tool for you that will help make putting this all together a breeze. Oh, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Jennifer. I help fitness and wellness professionals build strategic, beautiful Squarespace websites and set up smart systems to make growing your businesses feel easier. I know. Planning sounds boring, but doing this ensures that you're creating a website that not only attracts your ideal clients, but actually encourages them to take action through a strategic user journey. You'll hear me saying user journey a lot, so let me quickly explain what that actually means. It's basically the experience someone has when they land on your website. This starts from the first thing they see, to what they click on, to how they end up taking action. Think of it as similar to walking into a store. The layout, the signs, what's been placed in a certain way to grab attention, and where you end up going next. It's all designed to guide you somewhere. Your website should work in that same way. A good user journey means your site is doing its job, leading people step by step towards booking a session with you or signing up to one of your services and avoiding confusion or dead ends along the way. Let's break down the 8 key points that make up the anatomy of a high converting homepage. First up, we have above the fold. This is what's visible before visitors scroll and arguably the most important section of your homepage. Visitors will decide if they stay or leave your website within seconds. But why is it called above the fold? The term actually comes from the newspaper world. Papers used to be folded in half on stands, so only the top half above the fold was visible. This is where the boldest headlines and juiciest stories went to grab attention. Your section above the fold is made up of 4 core elements. Headline: what do you do? Why does it matter to your client? Subheadline: it usually adds clarity to the headline or speaks to pain points. CTA, which is your call to action. For example, book a call, join now, or get started. And finally, an image of you or an image that's related to your service. Your headline should communicate what you do, who you help, and your subheadline should add some clarity to that. This should be clear and client-focused copy. And then your call to action will generally be a button. This is where they can take action immediately by clicking and booking a session with you or inquiring. Having this all above the fold can make guiding potential clients who already know they want to book with you super easy. The next section is what I personally like to call the hype section. This is a way to reinforce your value and pull visitors further into your brand and offerings. This is a powerful secondary statement about you and what you do for your client. This could include where you're located, your offer, who you serve, and what outcome your clients can expect. The example on our homepage here is Ayla Fern, a Melbourne-based holistic nutritionist specializing in gut health, offers science-backed support for your digestion, helping you move from surviving to thriving. Optionally, you might want to add supporting images, logos, stats, or another CTA. Here is your chance to introduce yourself, but it's important to keep it short and connect with your visitor. The golden rule that I like to follow for your About section is that copy should be more about how you can help your clients than it is about you. It should have sprinklings of your story. This should include a couple of sentences that highlight your passion and credibility, a professional image of you, a button that links to your full About page if you have a multi-page website. Now it's time to showcase your services clearly and concisely. This should include a snapshot of your offers, for example, personal training, online coaching, nutrition plans, the gut reset program. Clickable links to separate service pages. The goal is to make it easy for your visitors to understand what you do and explore each option further. This section is about giving them a way to connect with you or take the next step. This should include a contact form, or a valuable offer you might be running at the time, for example, a free strategy call, an online coaching program, or a special group training program. This is your lead magnet section. You've presented everything nice and clearly to your website visitor. But what if they're not ready to commit to booking with you just yet? A lead magnet is generally a free resource you give in exchange for someone's email address. This will help you attract potential customers by offering a value up front. The idea is that once they join your email list, you can nurture them by sharing helpful tips, updates, and offers. Over time, this builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. Eventually, some of these people will come back and turn into loyal paying customers. This section should include a freebie that solves a problem. For example, free 5-day meal plan, the ultimate 15-minute home workout, the gut healing cheat sheet, a simple opt-in form, name and email address. This keeps them in your world even if they don't book today. This is your testimonial or social proof section. If someone's still on the fence after browsing your site, they're likely asking themselves, can I trust this person? That's where testimonials help. Sharing real client feedback builds trust fast. Even one strong review can reassure potential clients. These could include short, powerful client testimonials, before and after results, featured logos if applicable, the as seen in style if you've been featured in reputable websites. And finally, your homepage should always end with a strong call to action. Don't assume visitors will know what to do once they've reached the end of your homepage. Spell it out for them. This can include a bold, clear action statement. For example, ready to transform your fitness, or it's time to feel good in your body again. A CTA button, for example, book a free call, join the program, get started now, book a session. All right, now that you know the 8 key sections of a great homepage, you are well on your way to creating one that not only looks good, but works to grow your fitness or wellness business as well. If you found this video helpful, you'll want to tune into next week's video because I'll be showing you exactly how to put this homepage together inside of Squarespace 7.1 step by step. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And as promised, since you made it to the end of the video, I've got a free tool for you. You can download my Anatomy of a Homepage structure as a PDF, the one we've just been through in this video, using the link in the description. Inside, you'll also get access to a bonus AI tool I've trained to help you gather and write your homepage content in minutes. You'll need to use ChatGPT, but the free account will work just fine. Following this structure, it will give you copy and content ideas that you can use as a starting point. But remember, just like with any AI tool, this is a starting point, so you should adjust it to really fit your brand's tone of voice. So if gathering your site content stresses you out, I'm positive this will help you get a head start on your homepage. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.